Hello everyone, and thanks for coming back to the channel. Today, as the thumbnail should have told you, we're taking a look at two micro cameras, the RunCam Nano2 and the Caddx EOS2. Now the EOS2 has been around a while, but the Nano2 is a little bit new. And essentially they have all the same specs. The Caddx does come in slightly a quarter gram less than the RunCam, but what's probably most important is that if you're building a hoop and you want a better camera, or you've got a pickle on your mind, if you've got an iFlight 120 RS and you want to think about replacing the camera, or you're going to build out a Sailfly with a better camera, or you're going to do a TomoQuads chopstick, well then maybe one of these two cameras might lead the way for you. Now, all the specifications are pretty much the same as far as I can tell, outside of that quarter gram difference. Their measurement from the screw hole to the back to the lens, the diameter, everything seems to be just about the same. The wire length does vary depending upon which one you have. But what's most important is the footage. The footage that we're going to look at, I've only got about 2 minutes. You know me, I don't have a camera rig and I don't have DVRs set up on all my things. I'm recording through my goggles, which is a one-off. It's not precise. It's not exactly what you see, that's for certain. But it's really the best I can do for you. So if you're interested in looking at these two cameras, I've got 2 minutes of footage. I would encourage you to either click around on the timeline. I'm not going to talk during the 2 minutes. There's no point in that. I'll either sound weird or sound like an ogre or something of that nature. But there's also the gear icon down in the lower right-hand corner that YouTube provides that allow you to play back in different speeds. You might want to check that out during the footage as well. I have a bit of still footage that I'm going to show you. We do the light test where we cover things up, we show the sun, and then we fly them around a little bit, and I line up some flight footage that matched fairly well. So this is your last warning. If you want to slow it down, now's the time. Now that you've seen all that I can show you, leave your comment down below. What do you think? Which one's going to lead the way for you? I'm going to kind of talk a little bit slow here before I give you my opinion. For me, it's pretty clear cut. That RunCam Nano2 looks much better. It's much more crisp. I like the colors. It's just a better camera, and that's good because now Caddx needs to respond, right? And if Foxeer wants to jump in this mix, they have a standard. Hopefully you agree. I could be wrong, but hopefully we can all agree that the Nano 2 is a much improved camera, and now all the other competitors have to compete with this new level of image that we enjoy. And speaking of enjoy, it's Father's Day weekend. Happy Father's Day to all of you out there that are fathers, and happy Father's Day to your fathers as well. Speaking of Father's Day, also is one of those classic holidays where there's coupon codes, and so I'll collect as many coupon codes to web shops that we buy all these goods from, and you can use those to save yourself a bit of cash and maybe have a little bit of a happier Father's Day. Make sure you leave your vote below. Make sure I'm not crazy and I'm not seeing things cross-eyed or something here. Make sure you leave your vote below to which camera you prefer. They should be coming in at the same price or very, very close. You know, I shouldn't talk about price because that can go up and down. Somebody watches the video next month and I'm wrong, but they should be both coming in around 20 bucks. But with those coupon codes, maybe you can get them for 15. By the way, I broke an arm on the pickle. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, or otherwise, please leave those in the section down below. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching. Now's the time in the video where you would want to go down below and chime in. Nah, I gotta pick my nose here a bit.